Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to close Shazam on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open settings of your device. When you open up settings, here you will see this kind of interface. Scroll down until you find control center, tap on it. Now scroll down and you will see music recognition. Swipe left and you will see remove option. Tap on remove option. So now when you swipe down, there is no Shazam icon seen here. So in this way you can close Shazam on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.